Have you ever pondered the role of women's rights within the world's major religions? Today, we delve into a captivating exploration of the contrast between women's rights in Islam and other religions. In the vast tapestry of world religions, each thread represents a unique interpretation of human rights, particularly women's rights. Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, and many others. Each carries its own history and traditions that impact the societal roles and rights of women. Islam, for instance, is often under the global spotlight due to misconceptions about women's rights. Contrary to popular belief, the Quran, the holy book of Muslims, was one of the first religious texts to grant women rights. It bestowed upon women the right to inheritance, the right to divorce, and the right to own property, among others. This was revolutionary in the 7th century when these rights were practically non-existent in other societies. But what about other religions? Christianity, for example, has evolved its views on women's rights over time. The Bible has numerous instances where women are seen as equals, yet it wasn't until the 20th century that women in many Christian societies gained legal rights like voting or owning property. Similar patterns can be seen in religions like Hinduism and Buddhism. In Hinduism, ancient scriptures praise the divine feminine, yet societal norms often contradict this. In Buddhism, the teachings advocate for equality, but hierarchical structures in monastic orders often place women below men. The contrast between women's rights in Islam and other religions is not about superiority or inferiority. It's about understanding the nuances and complexities within each religious tradition. So, what have we learned today? In Islam, women's rights were established early on, giving women legal rights and protections. In contrast, other religions have a varied approach, with societal norms often overshadowing religious teachings about equality. The conversation about women's rights in religion is complex, multi-layered, and ongoing. It's about understanding, not judging. It's about dialogue, not debate. And so, as the music fades and our exploration ends, remember this. Women's rights in religion are not just about the written word, but also about how those words are interpreted and implemented. The story of women's rights is the story of humanity, and it's a story that continues to unfold. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this discussion intriguing, don't forget to share your thoughts and subscribe to our channel.